శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నిగమకల్పతరోర్గళితం ఫలం సుఖముఖాదమృతద్రవ సంయుతం పిబత భాగవతం రసమాలయం ముహురహో రసికా భువి భావుకాః. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీసుఖయోగీంద్ర. యం ప్రవ్రజంతమనుపేతమపేతకృత్యం ద్వైపాయనో విరహకాతర ఆజుహావ పుత్రేతి తన్మయతయా తరవోభినేదుః తం సర్వభూతహృదయం మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు నరనారాయణ చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ సరస్వతీదేవి వ్యాసమహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. ఇన్ శ్రీమద్భాగవతం 4th స్కంధం, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Maitreya teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Vidura, saying that, O Vidura, Pridhu Maharaju, he has gained all the great qualities just like Lokapalakas, and with those great qualities Pridhu Maharaju continued ruling the kingdom. Mano Vak Vrittibhihi Saumyaihi Gunaihi Samranjayan Prajaha. Pridhu Maharaju, with his mind, with his speech, with his actions, with his good character, he captivated all the people, and he made sure that all the people are pleased with his character. And just like moon, Pridhu Maharaju is so pleasant to everyone. And as and how Surya, the sun, takes away the essence from takes away the water from the earth and again gives back as rain, so also Pridhu Maharaju collects taxes and again utilizes for the welfare of the people. Just like Agni, Pridhu Maharaju stood like cannot be touched by anyone. Just like Indra, Pridhu Maharaju stood like cannot be conquered by anyone. Titikshaya dharitriva. Pridhu Maharaju is great in having patience, just like Bhudevi. Pridhu Maharaju has a great physique, just like Rudra. Pridhu Maharaju is so handsome, just like Manmadha. Pridhu Maharaju is like a lion. Bhaktya go guru vipreshu vishvaksena anuvartishu. Just like Sriman Narayana, Pridhu Maharaju has a great amount of self-control, and Pridhu Maharaju took care of cows, acharyas, brahmanas and devotees, and Pridhu Maharaju has lots of respect towards all of them. And in taking care of others, Pridhu Maharaju stood like nobody can be compared with him. To that extent, he always first to serve others and to take care of others. O Vidura, like that, with all great characteristics and great attributes and qualities, Pridhu Maharaju ruled this entire earth. Like that, Maitreya teaching. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become his most beloved devotees, and then he will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana.